Hi and welcome to the shop. I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to be forging a snowflake ornament. So this is what I'm starting with for materials, and this is actually a blank and that was laser cut, and I bought it online. I will put a list down in the description below so that you can go and check them out if you want to. And I'm starting with this because I'm a beginner and it's going to make it a lot easier. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of texturing and also some chisel lines. And so that's what I plan on doing for the design of this. And so we're going to get to work on this. So let's get started. All right, I finished chasing my lines in the snowflake. So I decided I want to do a little circle in the center, which is just going to be made with an eyeball punch, and then just a little dot just with a center punch to give it a nice little accent there in the very center. All right, this is what we got so far. I finished the details here that I wanted, plus the chasing, and I just did the little wrap up here for the ribbon or whatever to go through. So now I am just gonna heat it up one more time to a dull red. I'm going to brush it to get the scale off, and then I'm gonna do some brass brushing because I absolutely love that look, especially on ornaments. So let's do the last stages on this. All right, so here is how my snowflake turned out. I am super ecstatic about it. I think it turned out great. Maybe the only room for improvements that I could have seen here is I did have one little slip up where I accidentally put a chiseled line there where I didn't mean to. And also one of my lines, this one here, wasn't quite centered. But overall, I'm really happy with the effect. Like I said, I went with the brass brushing and I decided to just do it on the edges of the snowflake. And I think that really gives it a lot of nice contrast. So I am super happy with this. So I appreciate you watching. By the way, if you want one of these blanks, I will put the link down in the description below so that you can buy them. I believe I purchased them on eBay, so I'll make sure to put that down there. And by the way, if you are a blacksmith looking to sell your wares, make sure to check out my blacksmith cheat sheet on our website, www.blacksmithpdfs.com. And we also came out new for this season, 10 hand-forged items for Christmas, and that is also on our website where you can learn how to make those items and also how to sell them. So thank you once again for joining me, and let me know in the comments below what's your favorite ornament to forge. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.